What's up, guys? We're out here in Buena Vista. Yeah, right back there. Collegiate Peaks. Boop. That's what I'm talking about. This is our campsite. Doing a quick walkthrough. Let's do it. This is what camping is all about. Oh yeah, sitting there, eating snacks, drinking a beer. Yep, thank you. We got our water station. And yeah, a little bit of biodegradable hand soap. That's important. Come on, people, get with the program. Yeah, and then all set up here. We got that table. We're cooking some dinner on the new 4runner drop-down table. Let's go over here real quick. We got our overland gear guy trash bag on that. That's our camp gear bin. Check out my gear bin video. Underneath we got our tools, cooler. Oh, what our water is on is actually the kind of the recovery gear, overland gear, whatever, odds and ends. Yep. And then bed setup, as you guys have seen in the other video, my first rig tour video. I am going to do an updated rig tour video very soon because there has been a lot of changes made to this beauty. Anyway, here we are.